Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening or creating the Google Sheet and naming it with a clear date and project code so you can find it later. Once done, set a single header row with ID, date, category, amount, and notes, then freeze that row so headings stay visible. Next, apply data validation to date and amount columns to prevent bad entries. This reduces errors and speeds entry. Make sure to set consistent formats, date, and currency before entering bulk data. You now structure and automate the middle steps to keep data reliable. Start by replacing free text with drop-down lists for category. Set amount to a currency format such as $##0, 00. Then add formulas, array formula or if, to auto-generate ID, compute totals, or concatenate fields so you type less. Protect key ranges to prevent accidental edits, and create conditional formatting rules that highlight duplicates, negative numbers, or blank required fields. This helps you catch issues as you go. You finish by reviewing, sharing, and finalizing the sheet so it's ready for action. First, create filtered views or a pivot summary. Use Query to generate export-ready datasets. Once satisfied, share the file with appropriate permissions, edit for trusted users, comment only for reviewers, then enable notifications for important changes. Finally, use version history to restore if needed and download a CSV backup periodically. If something goes wrong, check protected ranges and validation rules first. They often block legitimate edits.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.